All right, last one of the day. 4-year-old boy buys $2,618 worth of SpongeBob popsicles on Amazon.
Oh.
That amounts to, by the way, you're probably trying to do the math yourself right now. That's 51 cases. That's 918 popsicles. Now, he was on his mom's Amazon account. You know how easy it is to be ordering stuff over there, Will.
Yeah, the one click.
You're just clicking away.
Uh-huh.
And next thing you know, you got 51 cases.
Of melted?
Yeah, where are you going to put them? That's the trouble with a popsicle.
Yeah.
Like, you don't have a freezer space for that. So you're in big...
Well, I don't think they're going to store it. It's already done, right? Like...
What you mean?
Well, like, they're not... Like, if it's delivered to the door, they're not automatically going to store it. They're going to be like, what the heck? Why did I order so much?
Well, I believe that the packaging is going to insulate, keep it somewhat cold.
Right.
If you're ordering popsicles.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. So that's step one. But as far as after it's been dropped off, what you're going to do with it? Because by the way, this is not, you don't sign for this one. This is just left at your door. You may come home from work and all of a sudden you see the cases sitting there. But I think they're going to have to pack them in such a way that's not going to melt right away, I would guess.
Sure, yeah, like groceries, right?
Exactly. They have a special box.
Yeah.
But that said, you got to figure out quick what you're going to try to do with over 900 popsicles. You got to start walking up and down the neighborhood. But more importantly, you can't make a deal with Amazon. They're not about to take popsicles back.
Especially if they're melted.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you're kind of doomed on that. If he had ordered something that wasn't perishable, you may have had an opportunity. So anyway, it turns out that the mother, who was a social work student at NYU, she doesn't have the cash for this either. And so she was trying to sort something out with Amazon, but was kind of panicking, went to GoFundMe and said, look, I know this is cute, but really, I don't have this $2,700. To which people that loved the story came through and actually donated. It's sitting at $12,983 at the moment. Almost 30. I mean, he's happy. He got the one. He got
one, yeah.
He got the one. Now, obviously, this is an accident. I mean, he didn't. You could say, hey, you got to be more careful on this one, but
right.
But it's an accident and even him, he probably didn't want 918. He probably didn't need 9. He probably just kept clicking. He's like, he's probably like, I need these SpongeBob to show up. He keeps clicking. He's like, not here yet. When am I going to get it? No, I mean, he's 4 years old, Will. You know?
The more you click, it doesn't really help.
No, he thinks it speeds it up as you keep on clicking through. Anyway, point being, she's got help. It's going to be okay. And who knows, maybe some kids on the street got some free SpongeBob popsicles.
Why not?